Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the new IPO. That is the ninth IPO for this particular year 2021. That is the MTAR Technologies Limited. So this particular IPO is open from March 3rd to March 5th. So anytime during the trading hours, you can place your orders for this particular IPO either from your Demat accounts, any of your Zerodha Upstock, whichever Demat account you have. In case if you don't have a Demat account, then you can open your Demat account through our link in the video description. Click the link and open your account. And then if you're deciding to subscribe for this IPO, you can open and subscribe. So this particular IPO is having a face value of 10 rupees. So like this is the actual value of the share of this particular IPO. So the share is equal to 10 rupees. That's what we call as face value. Now, obviously, the company will not give you the face value to you, the public. So obviously, there is no reason of giving in that way. So they keep a premium above the face value. That is nothing but based on their brand value and what is their company and what they predict their company value is. So what they do above this 10 rupees, they add little premium and they say I'm giving it for certain higher amount. So the price band at which they are giving is around 574 to 575. And if you want to buy this, then you need to buy minimum of 26 shares because you need to buy one lot. So one lot is nothing but 26 share in this particular IPO listing. So you need to buy multiples of 26 if you want to buy more. And this particular IPO will be listed, the stock will be listed on NSE and BSE on 16th of March. So that is when you and me will get a chance to do trading if you want to do trading. But by 5th, the initial public offering subscription will be closed. And after 16th, on 16th, it will be listed on these exchanges so that in the secondary market where you can trade. So investing in IPO is basically like investing in a company. Okay, so for example, it is very difficult to own a company, handle it and maintain it and all, but we have a golden opportunity to invest in companies which you like. If you feel, for example, this particular company's performance is good or it has a great future, you can invest and you can become a shareholder of the company, right? So same way, initial public offering is an initial opportunity, golden opportunity for you to invest in the initial stage of this company where if the performance of the company is good, if you see the future of the company is good, it will grow like anything, right? So vice versa can happen. So it's a golden opportunity. So for that, you need to understand what type of business this company does and what is, I know till now whatever has happened. But what is its future, what type of business it does, what is the scope, so that if you invest some money, you need to make some money, right? So you should know the scope of this future of this business. That's what we will try to look into. Talking about little background of this particular company, this company is almost completed 50 years. Okay, it's a Hyderabad based company and it has almost completed 50 years. That's what I checked in their website. So it's celebrating its 50 years. Initially it started as a partnership firm and now it is like an independent firm. This company mainly deals with businesses in terms of defense, nuclear and space type of sectors it deals with. Few of the products what this company deals is missile systems, aerospace engines and aircraft components. So it deals with all this defense and more of aerospace, all this let's say aeroplane parts or maybe the rocket parts. All these components are being delivered by this particular company. So looking at the history of this company, it has got a lot of good orders from different big companies. It has very good client base also. Few top client bases, if I would like to mention, it is the HAL in Hindustan Aeronautical, ISRO, DRDO, Nuclear Power Corporation of India and so on. So it has a top client base. So whatever we see, what are the aircrafts or defense, whatever we use, few parts are being supported by this particular company. So until and unless you get good orders from them, I think it's a good business for this particular company because these all are recognized and it is almost like a government entities. So it is one very good like guarantee type of orders because those type of companies will not easily close compared to a private defense company. So that is one advantage what I see directly. So talking about the exact advantage, what I feel and what I researched till now online about this particular company is I have not found exactly the competitors for this particular company. So I didn't find much on the system also or in the online. I just checked, there is no much competitor. So it is going to be somewhere not too many people in this particular sector. So it is like more of like a monopoly. Maybe there is competitors which I didn't find out when they are not listed yet. But somewhere they have that advantage because not many competitors are there, not many private companies are there like this who are competing as per open database. Also currently we are in the process of Make in India, and so we are boosting the Make in India thing. So too much of push has been given to make in India. So this is the growing stage. So in this growing stage, this being a Hyderabad Indian-based company will definitely get a boost from these type of make in India. So I'm sure government would give more deals or more orders to these type of companies which are in Indian-based companies to do more products for let's say HAL or for DRDO, for ISRO. So this will be a good advantage for this particular company's revenue. So if the revenue is going up, obviously the stock price will be going up. Recently, if you see even ISRO conducting a launching, right? So for that, this company, ISRO is a client, direct client of this particular company. So in the future, they'll be experimenting a lot of things, a lot of launches happening, a lot of satellite launches, rocket launches will be happening. So during that time, most of the products will be taken from this particular company. So it is indirectly involved. So more projects, more business to this particular company. So that is one more advantage. Also in a budget, whenever they increase a defense budget, right? We keep budgets for different sectors. So if different budgets increase, automatically HAL, ISRO and everything will be, creating new defense systems or space research will be happening. So during that time, a lot of products, a lot of things will be requested by these supporting companies. So this is one among the supporting companies to giving products to them. So definitely that type of budget increase in budget will definitely help this company to get more business. So that will definitely increase the company's growth. So everything has a downside also. So you should need to think from both sides. What are the advantages in the future and what can be the disadvantage or the downside, I would say. So few things, what possible things, what I feel is, see, it is dealing with more of defense. It is dealing more of space and aeroplane and stuff. So a little bit of error. It's very sensitive. We cannot do error, give a wrong weapon. I cannot give a wrong machine or something which has a defect, quality issue or something. So a little bit of quality issue can ensure a big escalation, or maybe they may cancel the deal with this particular company, like our government entities. So that will be a big loss because these are the major companies on which this particular company is depending on. So such type of deals, if it close, then obviously the revenue is going to fall. So you need to be very careful, hoping that company does good. Any such issues will definitely be a downside. And again, coming back to the budget thing, in case the defense budget has been decreased or restricted or something like that, or some projects are being closed for let's say ISRO or DRDO or HAL, some projects are closed. Obviously, the business also will be reducing for this particular company because they stop certain projects. Whatever the parts they were requesting from this company will reduce. So those type of possibilities will be a downside for this particular company, and there can be many other downside also depending on the performance of that particular company. So this was overall things what I have researched from different areas, and I feel these are the advantages and disadvantage of this particular IPO. So these points were more to educate you guys. So you guys, if you guys are interested to subscribe to this particular IPO, then do little more of research from your side. I've just given you the basic overview, what is required, and if you want to really invest, then talk to your investment advisor or take your own decisions. If you like this particular information, then hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.